Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with bolt-on hardware that yields reliable, legal power increases. Install a high-flow cold air intake to add about 10-15 HP, replacing restrictive factory piping with smooth mandrel bends and a washable filter. Replace factory headers with long-tube headers to improve exhaust scavenging and torque, then add a 3-inch catback exhaust to reduce back pressure. Finish with a custom ECU tune to optimize air fuel and timing for roughly 20-40 HP gain, matching octane, cam timing, and the new airflow characteristics for safe, repeatable performance. For larger gains, consider forced induction. Add a positive displacement supercharger for immediate low-end torque and 80-150 HP depending on pulley size and boost. If you choose a turbo kit, plan for lag management and a proper wastegate. Twin-scroll turbo's smooth response. Upgrade fuel injectors and a high-pressure fuel pump to support increased power safely. And install an intercooler or upgraded heat exchanger to keep intake temps below 150 degrees F under boost. Pair this with a professional dyno tune to ensure safe air-fuel ratios and ignition timing. Power is only useful if it reaches the pavement and you can stop safely. Upgrade axles and driveshaft to handle more than 400 lb-ft of torque when planning big power, and check the differential gearing for compatibility. Fit summer performance tires in 275/40R20 or the correct stock fitment for traction, and lower unsprung weight where practical. Strengthen cooling, brakes, and suspension before increasing engine power beyond 50% of stock. Use multi-piston calipers, 330 mm or larger rotors, and stiffer springs and sway bars to maintain control and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.